I'm pretty sure this is going to be my 10-second pass.
Perfect time of the day.
Yeah, it's not that bad. If I can keep this
thing, got enough E in it.
I hope. That's all I got at this point.
No, you got another tank.
No. I'm saying like
No 93.
there should be no 93 in this thing.
She recording? She ain't over here right now? None.
10-8?
I'm thinking 10-8.
Alright, 10-8, we put this shit on the trailer and going home right now.
I'm telling you, man, 10-8.
I'm not doing the tree. I'm waiting. I'm chilling.
You're gonna do what?
Well, I'm running a B. Like I'm not trying to like. I don't have to go. My trap was definitely higher that time. So Griff just called me, and I'm afraid he's about to tell me it's a 10-second pass. No offense, Griff, but I gotta see the slip. So I feel like he's calling me and telling me I hit 10, but I hope nothing's wrong.
Well, did you hit it?
I hope. It felt good.
I did too.
Woo. Shaking, dude. I'm shaking right now. Literally, look. Like, this shit that was fast.
What do you want your index?
Well, I'm in the rumble, so I guess I just got kicked out.
They're doing.
Yeah. What's the next one up?
Huh?
What's the next one I can do?
I don't know. Ask them.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay. Hey.
All right, what do you want to claim?
So I ran a 10-7.
10-7. So
Yeah.
they're quarter increments. So you got 11. Oh, excuse me, a 1050, 1075, or 11.0.
Do 1075.
1075.
Yeah.
1075.
10-7. That was it. 10-7, baby. Yo, hurry up and get to the trailer. The truck. All right. So what'd you think when I hit 10-7?
Me and Mark, I was looking for Mark. We didn't look at each other.
Yo, that shit was rolling, dude.
Why didn't you go when the other car went?
I don't have to. Like, you go when you want. It's not like I'm not racing
I'm glad you did that too, bro.
because I can take my time and just
to get the right.
Yeah.
So you let him go?
I didn't let him go. I mean, I built up and everything. Almost caught him too.
Yeah.
What'd he run?
I didn't look. I didn't care. I didn't look, bro.
Oh no, he ran the same thing as me. He had a 10-7.
That's what classic. Good team. You hired this man?
I don't know.
Get him out of here. Yeah.
So yeah, boys, 10-7. That's what you're in. I am very humbled and just mind blown. I cannot believe I actually own like a 10-second car, or I can say my car is in the 10s. I just never. I mean, like I thought, you know, but not like that. Not on my. That was my 4th pass. So you'll be seeing all my other videos come up. I'm gonna make like the prep and go all the way from in the trip on the way there, getting there, and all of that. So those start going in order. But I just want to get this out because this is a pretty special moment. I mean, both this car right here in this garage, like, I never would have thought I would give 10.7 just like that. So yeah, hopefully we got some more in her, because that 1.2 was a little off, and then like up top. So I mean, we wanted to get 10.5 or lower, but I'm not gonna 10.7. That's insane. But stuff like this, it gets me emotional a little bit. Not like that kind of emotion. I can't believe we're actually doing all this. Like, we actually went to LS Fest. I remember telling Joe, like, back in like March or whatever, I'm like, yeah man, because we used to go to H2O. If you don't know what H2O is in Ocean City, look that up. That's just, it's terrible now. So I don't want to be associated with that, and then somehow we pulled this off and made that long trip, about over 1,000 miles. I can't believe we did this. It's been a crazy journey. But yeah, I'm pretty tired. I'm like ready to go to bed. It's a couple of days after the event. It was nonstop, like go, go, go. It was everything I expected and more. Like, there's so much to do, so many things to see, and I'm definitely going back. So we made it safe. That was a good trip, man. Like, had pretty much no problems. Thank God, man. That was a blessing right there. We good time though. Good time. Made it safe. That was the main goal. So the next videos will be up soon. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at 1bad8, and I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.